So going, folks, as you all know, in the previous video, we established that the jet ski was fixed and is ready to go. So, you know, it ran fine last weekend, so we decided to take it out this weekend. And all of a sudden, we're just outside of the launch, and all of a sudden, the jet ski craps out. Like, it went from like normal to like a very loud sound, and then it stopped working. And again, you'll see in the video right here, or just make a jump cut to it. I wasn't very happy. I was not a happy camper. So I finally cracked it open to figure out what in the world did I do wrong. And lo and behold, I guess is how the saying goes. I guess I didn't do a very good job on tightening that clamp down too well, so the muffler came undone. Filled up the cabin with fumes, so it you know, deprived the engine from oxygen, so it wouldn't run. Yeah, shit happens. So I'm gonna fix that, and probably be posting another video here soon of us doing some dumb stuff. So